3 kilometers, we have
Nagligsan sila.
Julio Catalonia with a racing of 3018 or 3018. Congratulations, Julio Catalonia. You will be receiving also a special prize from Petit Cookies and also from Honda Jigjam Cycle Incorporated. Alright, congratulations to our podium starters. Grabe, ang bilis ng mga timing nila. Kaya niyo yun? Kaya ba? For the next run? Kayanin! Okay, congratulations to our podium starters. Okay, for the next category, we have from female category, 3-kilometer run, third placer. Congratulations to Ividon Impuertante with a race name of 3069. Congratulations, Ividon Impuertante.
Ito na, perfume.
Again,
naka-perfume.
to Ividon Impuertante.
Look, worth the boy.
You will run first.